Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. We're going to take a look today at just a simple window cleaning method. We all wash windows every day. We do things so differently. I think that's one really interesting thing is how different we do things. So I'm going to clean these two patio doors here, kind of bigger windows. We're inside a residential home today. I'm going to wet this whole thing down. I'm using an 18-inch Sorbo squeegee, 18-inch Sorbo channel, and I'm going to use as most efficient swipes as I can. All the way down. I'm going to not even return my tools to my bucket on a belt. Wet this next one down. Do the same thing. Just efficient, using 18 inches here. Swing it over to get 18 inches back up, and then 18 inches back down to close out. With those little amount of strokes, I'm working more efficiently. That's the way I see it. See a lot of guys that'll use 10-inch squeegees on residential homes, which is fine. Everybody's got their own process. There's no right or wrong way to do it. It's just 18-inch squeegees on a skinnier window work well. One, you can squeegee up, straight down. But when you get to a larger plated glass, rather than carrying multiple tools with you, I like to use one big squeegee on the entire home, be more efficient with the tool that I have, tweak it to get the smaller windows that I have that I might be working on as well. It's just the way I do it. I thought it'd be interesting to post a video just to show my technique, what works for me. Thanks for watching. So out here, Window Warriors Forum.